Jasper AI or MidJourney, two game-changing tools. But which one really delivers? On one side, Jasper AI, your partner for dazzling written content. On the other, MidJourney, the creative powerhouse for stunning visuals. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what matters. Each category racks up points, so by the end, you'll know exactly which tool steals the spotlight in 2025. Trust me, the outcome might just surprise you. Okay, real quick, here's the mind map of all the categories we're going to break down. We've got price, performance, features, user experience, and best use case. So stick around. By the end, you'll know which is better for what you need. Let's kick off with price, because honestly, who doesn't want to know what their wallet's in for? Jasper AI gears their pricing towards marketing teams. So if you're part of a biz squad, that might make sense. But yeah, it tends to be pricier, so keep that in mind. Now, MidJourney comes in strong with flexible pricing. Starts at $8 a month. Super cost effective if you're not churning out, endless graphics. Oh, and there isn't a free trial though, which is kind of meh. But overall, MidJourney wins this round. All right, next up, performance. Jasper AI is a beast when it comes to generating written content. Like if you need snazzy blog posts, ads, or emails, Jasper totally nails it. Plus, the collaborative features are pretty slick. But, big caveat, it's only text, so no fancy images here. MidJourney flips the script. It's all about those epic visuals. The community there is super active, and you get insanely creative results. But honestly, the learning curve is tough. And sometimes waiting for images isn't exactly lightning fast. In terms of pure performance for writing, Jasper has the edge. Features. This is where things get interesting. Jasper AI packs you up with over 90 tools for content creation, SEO. Heck, they'll even help you keep your brand voice tight. I mean, it's like the Swiss Army knife for marketers, even if it's more about marketing than wild, creative writing. MidJourney, on the other hand, lets you mess around with crazy artistic styles and get feedback from the community, which is super fun. But yeah, it's mainly for visuals, and let's be real, customer support is kinda lacking. Jasper takes this one too. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know AI tools like Jasper and MidJourney are actually shaking up how we create and interact with all kinds of content? Like, it's not just about automation, it's kinda changing the whole creative workflow. Let's talk user experience. Jasper AI honestly is a breeze. Tons of templates, easy to work with, super collaborative, especially if you're on a team. Downside, if you're not doing marketing, it's not exactly built for you. Now, MidJourney's user experience is a bit quirky. You get this whole community vibe thanks to Discord, and sharing stuff is actually pretty cool. But using text-only prompts, that can be a challenge until you figure things out. And yeah, that learning curve again. If you want plug and play, Jasper wins. Now, on to best use case. Here's the thing. Jasper AI is tailor-made for marketing teams and anybody needing killer written content. Not much for images, but if words are your fuel, it's perfect. MidJourney, it's honestly a dream for graphic designers, artists, or anyone who wants unique visual projects. It's just not a text tool. So, it's a tie. Both shine in their own world. All right, so we've compared price, performance, features, user experience, and best use case. If you squint at the radar chart here, you'll notice Jasper mostly dominates except for price, where MidJourney pulls ahead. And for use case, well, it's a toss-up. So, you know what? If you're in marketing and need written content that pops, Jasper AI is probably your go-to. But if you live for stunning visuals and creative designs, MidJourney is 100% going to win you over. It's honestly down to what kind of content you love to make. Want to dive deeper into AI tools for your projects? Go ahead and check out how Jasper and MidJourney can seriously up your creative game. Start exploring and find the fit for your workflow today.